mbere rwangi rwa rimi ni ruonekete gwikirwo bo kathakirirwo ariero na arwo rwa Mandaraka kaunti-ini ya Bungoma. Rais na kiama yawe ni patariritie mantu mwanya mwanya njara bakathithia kenda gukiria urimi nthigurune na kenda kuingia untu bu thirikari ni kungwirite nthuki mbithi 18,000 bara bethiritwo bakiamukira moritani kumakiri kaunti mwanya mwanya kenda gutetheria gukiria urimi nthigurune. Muoroto jura mukatha Nandi jure gutigira murimi na kuona uguni bwa kibiashara kiri urimi bo bwawe kira kijikene muno ta kilimo biashara.
Madaraka Day ya 61
Onde nthiguru ya Kenya itirimene kaunti-ini ya Bungoma kiri gukungwira miaka 60 na jomo ya utiathi igukari na untu bungi bwa mwanya bwa gukungwira rungu rwa ministry ya urimi na ndethia.
Na sasa Mheshimiwa Rais, kwa ruhusa yako naomba nimwalike Mheshimiwa Mithika Linturi aje atuongoze kwa kipindi kifupi cha kuwakabidhi uwezo wana kilimo biashara. Tumpigie makofi waziri anapokuja. Karibu waziri.
Minister Mithika Linturi na ajukitie kanya kumenyithania kurika kwa moritani kiri mbeu mbithi 18,000 bara berigeri gukinya kaunti cionthe 47 gutetheria arimi gukinyaniria urimi bwa mbeca bara bujikene muno ta kilimo biashara.
Today, Your Excellency, Sir, I therefore have the pleasure to present a representative group of 2,500 youths from the 47 counties for official unveiling, Your Excellency, Sir, and thereafter requests for a group photo with the agripreneurs. Your Excellency, I welcome you. Thank you.
Kuringana na minister ujo ugita mubango juju ni jogwati mbaru ni thirikari cia matura akiuga thugania riri rianjiririe miaka 5 mithiru na ni jorikithitio kwithura na uguni bobo nene kiri murimi nthigurune ya Kenya.
In addition, sir, the agripreneur model has been formulated and successfully piloted for the last 5 years and shown to effectively complement the public extension while commercializing the same without compromising public interest. The Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development, in collaboration with county governments, with support from the World Bank, is supporting the upscaling of the agripreneur model across the 47 counties. The agripreneur program, when fully implemented, will create a strong network of about 18,000 youths that will complement and revitalize existing public extension service.
Rais Ruto mbere ya gutumiria kubarekeria gwita ngugine na ugite ntuku ya naro yukaria gitumi muno kiri murimi na thirikari ni kuthugania uria murimi agakenera ruya rwa njara ciawe.
Umeelezwa ya kwamba tuko na vijana 18,000 kama hawa katika sehemu zote za taifa letu la Kenya. Leo tuko hapa na 2,500 kama kielelezo ya wale wengi ambao hawako pamoja na sisi, na leo wamefika hapa ili tuwape kibali rasmi ya kuungana na extension officers katika counties zetu kuwafundisha wakulima vile kilimo itabadilishwa iwe ni biashara na iweke pesa kwa mifuko ya wakulima wa taifa letu la Kenya.
Muthieni Rais Ruto najukitie kanya kurekeria mbeu mbithi baba na kubendera umbani bobo nene kiri ngugi ije ya onjeru.
Kwa hivyo, to all these great young people, the agripreneurs who will lead the charge, who will take the front line in mobilizing our farmers into agripreneurs, making sure that farming puts money in the pockets of our farmers and puts resources in our economy as they supply us with food security in Kenya. I am very proud to commission the 18,000 agripreneurs in the Republic of Kenya, and congratulations on successfully completing your training. Pongezi sana. Na nitakuja hapo nipige picha na nyinyi.
wa kilimo aweze kuwapatia kipindi kifupi cha kuwakabidhi uwezo wa kilimo biashara. Tuwapigie makofi wakiingia.